again, I learn through Hooponopono and through my life not to compare myself to others, and not to complain about what I am now. The only things that is important again is that's our only memories, to be aware that are only memories, and each of us is different. So for me, doesn't not make sense to compare my life or who I am to another person, or what should I be. That's not make sense, because that's our only called, I remember, Aka chord, that any comparison, when I compare myself with another person, I set some chords that tie my being. So what I do is always cut that chords and be within myself, and I do not never compare myself with others. That is a very inner journey that I do every day, and Hooponopono helped me to make this inner journey, because I contact my Unipili, my subconscious mind, and we do every day an agreement to do our best in life for today, for who I am, but not compared with other, but compared on what my soul aim in that moment. So it is much more to looking inside myself than looking outside. When I look outside, means that I needed to clean. I needed to set right any wrong thought that I did. So Hooponopono is setting right, mean that let go everything from whatever expose me to outside. That's for me is a very important rule, and of course we have a lot of information from outside now. The social media, if you see Facebook, what you see, what another person is doing, what or other group of people are doing, but that's not the point. That's I create in this way. If I do in this way, I create a lot of toxic connections with others. So the answer is always look into myself, always, and do my best for myself.